Hey, what's up? I'm Jamel Redemption. This is RBM DRT, repairing broken men by doing righteous things. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Morningstar Farms brand Incogmeato, Incogmeato, Incogmeato burger patties, plant protein burger patties. You know, right here we got 32% less fat than a ground beef burger. That's good to know. 20 grams of complete protein. That's good to know. Made with non-GMO soy. It does have soy in it, but they got non-GMO soy, so I guess that's a plus. I try not to do too much soy, but when you're plant-based, sometimes you can't avoid soy. And I'd rather have the soy than have the red meat. Each patty here is 250 calories each, 370 milligrams of sodium, 21 grams of protein, no cholesterol, low in saturated fat. So, we got a relatively low sodium count, relatively low calorie count. Ingredients here, we got, like I said, it has soy, but no GMO soy. We got potato starch, dextrose, salt, apple juice powder, yeast extract, cornstarch, sunflower, vegetable juice. All plant-based ingredients. I got these patties from Target. They had them on sale, and they're usually like $5 for 2 patties, but they had it they were on sale for $2 a pack. So I got them. I got like 3 packs. I'm cooking 1 pack now in the oven. I got 2 in the oven cooking. They almost time for them to come out. So I'm gonna show y'all how they look when they come out. Okay, I just took the patties out the oven. Right here they got a nice brown, tender coloring to them. I had seasoned it with a little bit of herb de Providence, so there's a little rosemary on it. I seasoned it with that, and some nature seasoning. So it got a nice little, look to it. Nice grilled look to it. I had them in the oven for about 12 minutes, about 6 minutes on each side at 425 degrees. They have a real nice color to them. They look like hamburgers, but they're plant-based protein burgers. So I'm gonna go ahead here and make a couple sandwiches with them. I don't have any buns right now, but I do have some bread. So I'm about to make a couple sandwiches with them. Okay, I got some veganese from Follow Your Heart. I got some ketchup. I got some spicy brown mustard from Market Pantry with the Heinz ketchup. I got that on here. I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Nice little sandwich. I have Nature's Own brioche bread. This is actually my last 2 slices of bread. Next time I do a sandwich review, I'll try to have some buns, some burger buns. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into the sandwich and see what it's talking about. That's a good burger. This is good. Very good plant-based burger. The texture, this is a real good burger. You could put this on a grill at a cookout and serve them, and nobody would complain. Some people wouldn't even know the difference. You could tell the difference that it's not, a beef burger, but I guarantee if you had these at a cookout, most people wouldn't even know that it's not a hamburger. It's a plant protein burger. And this plant-based burger is very good, very good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Very good. Mm. Mm. Very good. Incogmeato, Morningstar Farms, 100% plant protein burger patties. I highly recommend these, man. If you're vegan, if you're plant based, or if you're just trying to get into more plant based eating and don't want to give up hamburgers, I highly recommend these plant protein burgers, man. They're awesome.